Today I'll be talking about installing old apps onto old iPads or even iPhones. Some people have messaged me saying that, oh, I can't download and install older version of Hulu or install older version of Snapchat. Well, there's a reason for that, obviously. One is, for instance, Snapchat, they don't have an older version on, like, let's say this old iPad 2. And then for for Hulu blocks it at the login level as well as the app level. So it's a decision by the maker to block the app itself. So there's no way we can ever run Hulu on an older iPad 2. So I just wanted to show you very quickly that I use this newer iPad to purchase Snapchat. And I go over here to purchased. I have Snapchat, and you can see some other apps that I have. Doesn't have that many, probably like 12 or something. So I have Snapchat over here, but when I go back to the other side, if I look for Snapchat if I go to the Appstore, and I search for under purchase. So right now I kind of shortcutted over here, click on purchased and Snapchat. Well, first I'm searching for Snapchat. It doesn't have, it probably won't even show me Snapchat at all because it's not even available. The other thing is, if I go back to purchased, looks like my iPad's dying. Let's go back to App Store. So as I mentioned before, Hulu doesn't work at all, Snapchat doesn't work at all. There's a bunch of older apps that might not work. But click on purchased over here on the bottom. This is for an iPad 2. You can see Snapchat doesn't even appear, and if I try to type in Snapchat, it doesn't appear at all. So as I mentioned before, it's hit and miss what kind of old apps you can install into your older iPad or iPhone. You can try it, it may install, and then even just the process of logging in, you might get blocked and say it's an older app. So keep that with a grain of salt. So if you're going to purchase an iPad, please remember at least purchase, at the very least, maybe an iPad Air 2 or iPad Mini 4. All the iPad Pros, you should be fine. This is 2020 I'm talking about. If you get an iPad Air over here, it's similar to like an iPhone 5S or something. These devices only have 1 gigabyte of RAM, so it'll probably only support iOS 12, and we're already on to iOS 13, so you're going to run out of support very soon. So as I mentioned before, I'll put in the description what versions you should at least buy. But I mean, iPads are cheap now. You can buy a new iPad, the cheapest one for when it's on sale, $250 for a 32 gigabyte iPad. So good luck. Just wanted to make this short video.